Hey guys, it's Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back out to the park for another flight video. Today we have the golden hour. It's a beautiful, calm night, and I've got the FT Simple Scout right here. I haven't flown this one in a little bit. I'm excited to bring you guys a little bit of a flight video tonight. Just, raw, my thoughts, giving some channel updates, things like that. So without further ado, let's go ahead, get up into the air with the FT Simple Scout. All right, so I'm not overly sure if this is going to take off from the ground or not, but yeah, I don't think it is. But let's go ahead and just give it a launch here, see what we can do. Effortless right up into the sky, you can see. The nice thing about this plane is that it's just such a smooth, little chill flying airplane. It has plenty of roll capabilities to it, but it's just so much fun. Even though it's a premierly, beginner entry-level airplane from Flite Test, this setup right here is a mix of both, just really chill flying for these golden hour nights, as well as also just really flat out crazy on the rates. I'm running high expo, but also high rates on there, so you can hopefully get some good mixed experiences in the flight. So one thing I mentioned with this plane when I initially built it is the servos I'm using are pretty junky. They actually have centering problems. So my ailerons are especially, the problem where this thing lies. But it's just, I can lay it flat and it's going to turn to the left, and I put one click of right trim in and it turns to the right pretty violently. So centering issues on the servos, not too big of a deal. I'm usually holding some sort of aileron control in there. Anyway, now it's going to the right. And so, yeah, it's not that big of a deal. It's just something that I have to mention to keep you guys updated on everything going on with this airplane. But yeah, I'm really happy with this thing. You can see we've got pretty decent power, even though this is just a small little A2212 underpowered system. This motor's actually halfway fried, I believe. The power output just really isn't where it initially was when I originally had this motor system. I had like a little incident with it. So like halfway fried is what I think it is, if that's such a thing. But anyway, let's go to the real reason I started this video today. As we're flying around here, I just want to talk a little bit about the channel and things going on. I don't really want to film just an update video because a lot of you guys don't tend to watch those. A lot of my loyal subscribers, just are here for the flight content and the build content, and that's all good and all. And I understand that you guys got better things to do with your time. So enjoy the Scout flying around as we talk about the channel for a little bit. First things first, we're going strong. We got over 375 subscribers, I believe. Maybe closer to 377 at this point. At the time of this recording, it is Friday, May 1st, at approximately 7:30 p.m. So yeah, it's really good. Last week or 2 weeks ago, I had like 250. So I'm really happy for the added support that I think a lot of it has come from my activity over on the Flite Test forums, as well as on the RC groups, and also on the Traxxas online community and the Mavic Pilots forum. Just a lot of activity. I used to be in those a lot, especially when I was into cars, but now I'm kind of picking it back up into airplanes with my custom builds, things like that. Regaining my forum activity has just really helped this channel grow. So thank you guys, if you guys are coming from the forums, for all your support on this channel. But you can see, the stuff we do here is just, it's a lot of stuff shaped around my input from my subscribers. I've got a lot of good feedback. A lot of people have commented on a lot of videos. Stefan Jeffries, Crazy Fast Flying, The Hanger, as well as Chris McCallum, who have been giving me some good feedback on my videos, as well as what they'd like to see in the future. So yeah, thank you guys for that. In the future, I will be doing some more surface stuff. That's my big hint. I've got a package coming tomorrow from the postman, thanks to one of my the loyal forum members that served this community well, unfortunately getting out of the hobby. That's all I'm going to tell you for now, but I'm really excited for where that goes, because seriously, it's going to be a really big upgrade to the channel in terms of where the content goes. We've been doing a lot of foam board scratch build airplanes. I'm gonna still be doing a lot of that. I've got some more electronics on order, as well as, of course, I also have plenty of different micro related content with the Sport Cub S and the Champ, as well as I'm getting some more in the mail. I got some micro servos from my good buddy, I forget, it's Ice Storm 777 on the forums. That's what his name is. Took me a second to remember that, but we did a little trade. I gave him an ESC and a servo, and he gave me 4 ultra micro servos, the stuff that you'd find in like the Champ or the Cub. And so yeah, I've got some little control boards coming in the mail. So we'll be doing some custom builds with those, and I'm just really excited to see where that goes because of course I'm just really happy with how the Champ is performing. I've got the Sport Cub S pretty much ready to fly. I got a new control board in thanks to Horizon Hobby. I kind of gave them a little bit of info on my situation and they sent me a new one, so thanks to them. But yeah, we got a 5-minute timer going off here in a second, but other than that, I think we can keep going because this thing is a relatively low power airplane, running 9x47 on that A2212. This 1300 is the top end of the batteries that you can run on this simple Scout right here. And as you can see, we're just really flying a nice chill mellow flight. As you can see, doing a lot of stick jamming and stuff like that for quick maneuvers. But seriously, a nice airplane on all respects, really. This is my very first airplane I ever flew with. You probably heard me say that way too many times that I built like 7 of these since my initial entry into scratch building. So yeah, I'm really happy with the flight characteristics of this simple Scout, and I'm really happy that I hit the home run on the first one because if I built something a little bit different from the flight test arsenal, I feel like if I built a simple Cub, I probably wouldn't even be in the hobby today because as you might know, I really don't like how that plane flies. So either way, yeah, I really like the Scout. I want to talk a little bit about the mods that I've done on this. This is not your average simple Scout. I did lose the dihedral for aerobatic purposes on this plane, so there's no dihedral. It's completely flat wing. It's a nice little thing that I did for this just because, of course, it really helps it as an advanced pilot to still, have a chill flying airplane, but this thing is a lot more respectable in the air. As well as, of course, I've, made it a little bit more robust overall, and there's a few mods that I mentioned in the build video, so you can check that out if you want to see that in the link in the description below. Let's go ahead and put this thing in for a landing. I'm going to wrap up the video there, but needless to say, as I updated you guys tonight, definitely a lot of cool things happening here in the channel, coming very soon, so yeah. And I expected that to happen with this high grass. The 3-inch wheels, even though they are large, don't really tend to fare too well here. But yeah, that's it for tonight's video, which is flying with the FT Simple Scout. Nice chill golden hour flight at the park. I'm really happy with how this thing is flying. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.